Wonder why this I series has these flashing blue lights. Are you going to speed 1, Haiku? This is the barking dog. While I'm doing this, I'll look at the hunter on low. There's on low. Whoa. Speed 2. Why is that flashing blue light? It was there on the downstairs fan too. I don't know why these I-series have flashing blue lights. Does anybody know why our Haiku fans flashing blue lights? I think it could be a timer problem. But speed 3. Or a Wi-Fi problem. Wasn't doing that in the L series. Not to be confused with the fire alarm, the system sensor L series. And the big ass fan, the Haiku L series. Speed 4. They like to keep it on that speed. Personally, I like that speed for DC fans, or speed 5. Telly Touch fans, I like speed 4. Or speed 5. But it makes a rumbling noise. I think I'll demonstrate my fans like how the Fan Guy 21 used to do, like do it just high reverse. Do we have one more speed to go to? Nope, we're good. Freaking live air. One time, I was actually turned this fan off one time and start to spin extremely slow. I don't know why. Buffalo Wild Wings actually has these. And one has a missing blade. Is it gonna spin pretty slow or no? I'll swoosh 3 times. So in the highest speed reverse. Dog just keeps barking. It's just giving me a headache. Off, I say. Stop flashing blue lights. Stop. 1. 1, 2, 3. Wait for it to get up to speed before I go on to the next fan. There's the original right there. That's it. That's the big A fan. Haiku. Thanks for watching.